Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is February the 4th, and I just wanted to give you a little quick update on the basil plants. And I'll just get in here and we can check them out. And you can see that they're coming along pretty well. So the last update was on the 1st of February, today's the 4th, so 3 days later. So I'll pull them out of here and we'll take a little better look at them. Alright, I'm just hand holding my iPhone here. Just wanted to do a really fast update video. So here we go. So this is 3 days later, and they're coming along very well. For the first night I had covered the plants with the dome, and when they really started to push up, I removed the dome, and I've been giving them about 15, 16 hours of light every day. So it will be interesting to see how well they start, growing. I want to see if they become really laggy or if they get really thick and stay rather short. So that's it for this really fast video. I just wanted to keep a little bit of a update going on these so we can see the progress. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.